Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I'm going to be releasing my brand new card using one of my favorite suites in this annual catalog, which is the Playful Pets. This is the one that helps you make all those cute little cards with the dogs and cats, and I made it extra special this time because I know some of you are cat lovers and some of you, like me, are dog lovers. And of course there's going to be an option for those of you who loves all of them so that you can get both. So I designed two different card classes, one for dogs and one for cats, and so you just need to decide which one you want. I'm sure you're gonna love them all, so just wait until at the end of the video where I share with you how you can get both of them. But anyway, so for this class, like I mentioned, there's going to be two different cards. Now, what are the things that comes in both of the kits is a half of a pack of the design series paper, as well as full spool of the what is this? The satin ribbon in real red, the double stitch satin ribbon in real red, and it also includes the Playful Pets trinket, which is the one that has the little dog bones and the hearts that you're going to be using in your cards. You're going to be getting a full pack. Now, of course, mine is almost done because I've been using it in all my projects. But let me share with you the project, shall we? So let's just start with the cats, and then we'll go for the dogs. Now, for the cats, here are the 6 different cards that you're going to be able to make when you get the cats version of this card class. And you can see that the cats have a lot of personality, which I love. I think this one is my favorite because it's just exactly as the grumpy cat. And so anyway, so I'm sure you're gonna enjoy them. These are just adorable because they look like very naughty cats, right? So anyway, and then of course for the dogs, here we go. We're gonna be sharing with you these ones as well. This is by far my favorite just because I used to have my little Yorkie. We just lost her last year, and so this is just so dear in my heart, and so I definitely wanted to have a little Aidi on my cards. Here are the other cards, and again, one of the things though is that because I am cutting out these from the design series paper, you can actually change the different dogs or the cats from the design series paper. There's lots of options there, so if you don't have a schnauzer, you want to change it for another of those Yorkies, by all means you can do so. So anyway, so the option 1 is for those of you who either want the dog card class or the cat card class, and so you just need to let me know which of the kits you want. You'll get the 6 cards video tutorials in the PDF. I gotta say here, let me just be clear, all my classes are video tutorials mainly because I feel like I can share more with you about the different tips, have the fussy cut and all those things. I share a lot more things when we are on a video. So all my classes, there is a PDF that includes pictures of the projects and also the measurements so that you can cut out the design series paper beforehand, and then the video tutorial. That way, when you're watching the video tutorial, you can just follow along. And if you're getting the packets, you actually get all the cardstock already cut out. If you got only the video tutorial, make sure you cut out also your cardstock so that you can follow along during the video, so it will feel like we are having the class together. So again, so that option of the 1 card class, it's $48 plus $8 shipping. Now the shipping is in priority, so there's always a tracking and there's always insurance. So if for whatever reason something happened with your packet, please contact me at creatingwithali.com, and I'll make sure I'll track it and figure out what's going on with your packet. Don't worry about that. And the option 2 is for those of you who want both of the classes. Now, you cannot decide whether you want the dogs or the cats, and you want all 12 cards for you with both video tutorials. If you want that option, just add an addition $15. So the total will be $63 for everything, plus $8 shipping, okay? It's the same. I will mail everything under the same packet, so don't have to be paying for 2 shippings or anything else. The materials, like I said, it's exactly the same. You will be needing the ribbon and the trinkets and the design series paper. Now, let me just say one other thing. You do need to have the Pamper Pets bundle to complete your class. And so make sure you make sure you have this one with you when you're making the cards. If you don't have this already, there will be an option for you to add it on your packet in case you want me to also ship this on your packet. Okay, but I know that these the Pamper Pets were already have been released since June, so maybe you already have it. So anyway, and then of course the final option that I have is for those of you who already have everything. You have the stamp set, or the bundle, I should say, the ribbon, the trinkets, the paper, the cardstock. You have everything. And so if that is you, you might want to have only the video tutorials. And so the video tutorials are already available at my store at creatingwithali.com/shop. And I'll put also a link on the top of this video, as well as on the description of this video, so that you can go to my shop. Again, it is at creatingwithali.com/shop, and you can purchase whichever of those video tutorials and download it immediately. As soon as you purchase them, you can download it. So anyway, so thank you so much. I hope to see you there. Like I said, there are 2 different options, the dogs or the cats. Just let me know which one you have. And of course, if you want both, there's also an option for you to get both of the card classes. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you there. Bye for now.